getting ready. Are you guys gonna come down and watch from the den?
Oh God, I don't believe it.
Hey, Mary, you wanna hold this point side over here?
Hold on, just walk around.
Dun 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 dun. It's filming. I'm filming.
We're waiting for the rest of our audience to come. Get him.
Dun 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 dun.
There's your wife.
They're watching from the window.
Wait, where are you?
Have it, Marta, you shoot straight up.
Yeah, Marna, move.
All right, ready? Nice and slow.
Yeah, 90
Wait,
seconds.
hold on.
Oh yeah.
Go down.
Woo-wee.
You got enough oil, dude. All right, release.
Yeah, how are you gonna hook that on again? Below the level.
Am I gonna be able to get in the house?
No.
Here, we're gonna share the table. Wait, how are you gonna hook that on there?
I'll get it, don't worry.
Can I get through?
Dan, should I stop this now?
No, not yet. I haven't done, like, tempting fate yet.
Why? Yeah, you're not. Done. It should drop.
All right.
What are you doing?
Wait a second, can I get in?
Why don't you... Here, give me the bowl. It's fine. That's how it looks on TV.
The temperature down now?
No, I gotta turn the temperature back up.
But then it's supposed to drop first.
Smells good.
Danny, fine. 18 after. Danny, 18 after.
Okay.
When you use your, you see what you use in the barbecue.
Yeah.
What do you think, Paul? That's good. It's Merry Christmas. If you see, Dan's gone back inside now, scared. Oh, he's back.
Top's supposed to be showing.
Here, let's see the camera.
Yeah, you see the camera.
Look at that.
Where's the big camera?
There's a bird.
The camera's over there.
We'll take a picture in a minute. All right. Let's see. You were here as well, so say hi.
Hey, good turkey.
All right. Well, we don't know that yet. Say hi.
Oi.
Oi. All right, here we go.
Say hi, turkey.
Turkey's cooking.
Cook, turkey, say something.
Temperature is still coming up. All right.
Stop though.
How about, hey, you got a video of me, will you?
Yeah, get a picture of him now. Chef Flambe, say hi.
For all those who said you couldn't, and to quote my rabbi who said there's just certain things Jews shouldn't do.
Hey.
Cut. All right, turning off the gas.
Dan, it's very dark. Can it see you?
I don't know. We'll find out. Turning off the gas.
Hey, can this thing go vertical?
Yeah, no. All right. We are gassed off.
Gassed off.
All right, over here, Pop.
Dun 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 dun.
Just kidding.
Ah!
Hold on.
Strike one.
Where's it going here, Nick? Wait,
Raise it up.
Paul, raise it. Paul, you're slouching. Paul, you're slouching.
Really put it there. I gotta tilt it up.
Oh, interesting. Sure.
Yeah, let me go this way. Actually.
I got this thing that's bigger than my daughter. That plate is stuck to it. Okay, you know my hands are pretty cold now. Dan, can we move your gluteus maximus? A little dab will do ya.
What do we do with the other one?
Paul, step to the side.
Okay. Alright, tin foil. Hold this.
Operation Fix.
It's like you're swaddling it.
So let's we can rest it. Let's rest for how long?
20 minutes, they say.
Are you swaddling the turkey?
More?
No,
Nope,
that's
we're good.
Paul, did you see that? They swaddled.
Take it upstairs, then I'll come out here and break this all down.
Fire hazard gone.
Fire hazard gone.
Danny, should I take this thing and put it over there?
What?
Take this thing over.
I'll come back out and do that. Come up with some sand on
Okay,
the ground.
wait, Dan.
Yeah.
Dan, when we get inside, turn around so we can see it wrapped up.
Alright, come on in.
Ooh.
Take a look at me here. How you doing? We got high hopes.
Alright, and